Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify for Creator Analytics not showing problem. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is firstly open your browser where you have your Spotify Creator account, and then first ensure your internet connection is stable. So for that, firstly go to your internet connection setting right over here and go to the network and internet setting. And over here just simply check is your internet currently stable or not and is working. If you have still problems, you can use alternate internet connection using your Wi-Fi and check if the issue is fixed or not. Try switching your browsers as well if possible. For example, you can use Edge browser, Brave browser, or any other browser. And you can even use the incognito feature of Google Chrome itself to rule out the cache issue. Next, try to clear your browser's cache or cookies. So for example, in Google Chrome, go to the settings menu right over here, click on the three dots, settings, then go to privacy. After that, over here just look for clear browsing data or delete browsing data. Choose that, and right over here, if you want, you can delete the browsing data as well, but we're only here for the cache and cookies. So just check these boxes right over here and make sure to only check this box. And then if you want, you can also go in the advanced tab and uncheck them right over here and only check cookies and cached image and files. As you can see right over here, do the same over here as well, and then just simply press delete data. So after it is done, all you have to do is just simply restart your browser to see if it worked or not. And after doing a restart, when you will come back to your Spotify Creator account, you will notice that you are logged out. So now first what you do is you have to log back in. Just simply complete the login process. A verification code will be sent to you on your device. Just simply enter the code right over here. Now once you receive the code, just simply enter it right over here. Then click on continue. And then click on save. After you log back in, the analytics should be working, and if it's still not working, just simply double check if your account is actually verified or not. As you may already know, a verification email will be sent to you on your email address. If you haven't verified that email yet, you might face this problem. And lastly, after doing all the solutions, if you're still facing the issue, visit the Spotify Help Center. For doing that, click on your profile and go to the help right over here. So once you will be over here, just simply report your issue and someone will help you fix that. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.